What if I told you there are 3 hidden spots in your car that, if cleaned, could save you thousands in engine repairs? Most mechanics won't mention these overlooked sensors, but they're crucial for your engine's life. They're tiny, hidden, and when dirty, they send bad info to your car's computer, leading to expensive problems. Forget just oil changes and tire rotations. These sensors are the real silent killers when neglected. Today, I'll show you 3 simple sensor cleanings that can prevent costly failures and keep your car running strong. This is cheap, easy maintenance anyone can do at home, no special skills required. Grab a can of cleaner and let's get started, because ignoring these little guys is like throwing money away. First up, let's talk about the mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor for short. This small but mighty component is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in your car's performance and efficiency. The MAF sensor acts as the gatekeeper for your engine's air intake, precisely measuring how much air flows in so your car's computer can deliver the perfect amount of fuel for combustion. Without it, your engine would be running blind. Over time, dust, pollen, and oil vapor can coat the sensor's delicate wires, causing it to send inaccurate data to your car's computer. This can lead to rough idling, hesitation when you accelerate, poor gas mileage, and even trigger the dreaded check engine light. Many mechanics misdiagnose these symptoms, sometimes replacing costly parts like oxygen sensors or fuel injectors, when all that's really needed is a simple cleaning of the MAF sensor. Here's how you can do it yourself and save a bundle. First, locate the MAF sensor. It's usually found between your air filter box and the throttle body, right in the path of incoming air. Unplug the electrical connector, remove the screws or bolts holding it in place, and gently pull the sensor out of the air intake assembly. Spray the sensor thoroughly with a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. Never use harsh chemicals or touch the wires as they're extremely sensitive and can be damaged easily. Let the sensor air dry completely for at least 10 to 15 minutes before reinstalling it. This ensures no moisture remains that could harm the electronics. Once it's dry, reinstall the sensor, plug it back in, and secure it in place. That's all there is to it. This quick 10-minute job can make your engine run noticeably smoother, restore lost power, and even boost your fuel economy, sometimes by several miles per gallon. Don't let a mechanic upsell you on expensive repairs or unnecessary replacements. Always try cleaning this sensor first before spending big. A can of MAF sensor cleaner costs just a few dollars, making this one of the cheapest and most effective tune-ups you can perform at home. Keep your engine breathing easy, your car running at its best, and your wallet happy with this simple maintenance step. The MAF sensor, such a small part, but it truly has a huge impact on your vehicle's health and performance. Next up, let's talk about the oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor, one of the most underrated yet crucial components in your car's exhaust system. Think of it as the snitch in your exhaust that constantly reports back to your car's computer, letting it know exactly how well the engine is burning fuel and how much oxygen is left in the exhaust gases. Over time, this sensor can get coated in carbon, soot, and other deposits, especially if you drive short trips or your engine isn't running perfectly. When that happens, it can't read oxygen levels accurately, which throws off your engine's air-fuel mix. The result? Your engine may run rich, burning more fuel than necessary, killing your gas mileage, and even putting your expensive catalytic converter at risk of overheating or melting, a repair that can cost thousands of dollars. Luckily, cleaning your O2 sensor is a straightforward job. First, remove the sensor using a special socket designed for the job. Next, soak the tip in gasoline for a few hours to dissolve stubborn carbon buildup and loosen grime. After soaking, gently scrub the tip with a soft wire brush. Never use anything too abrasive as the sensor is delicate. Let it dry completely, then reinstall it back into the exhaust. With just a little effort, you're good to go. This simple maintenance can restore your sensor's function, improve your fuel economy, and save your catalytic converter from early failure. Don't wait for the dreaded check engine light to come on. By then, damage may already be done. Make O2 sensor cleaning part of your regular maintenance routine. A little attention here can prevent a mountain of repair bills and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Keep your emissions clean, your engine efficient, and your wallet happy by looking after your O2 sensor. The O2 sensor, your exhaust's watchdog, always on guard for your engine's health. Don't let it fail in silence. Give it the care it deserves and your car will thank you every mile. Finally, the Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor, or ECT sensor, the engine's thermometer. This small but crucial component plays a vital role in your vehicle's performance. It tells your car's computer how hot the engine is, controlling fuel mixture, and even when the radiator fans turn on. Without it, your engine would be running blind, unable to adjust to changing conditions. When gunked up with rust or scale, it gives false readings, causing hard starts, poor fuel economy, and even overheating. These issues can escalate quickly if not addressed. Mechanics might chase expensive fixes, but often it's just this sensor sending bad info. A simple check can save you from unnecessary repairs. Cleaning is easy. Drain a little coolant, unscrew the sensor, and clean the tip with a wire brush or fine sandpaper until it's shiny. This simple maintenance can make a world of difference. Reinstall, top off coolant, and you're good to go. It's a straightforward process that can be done in under an hour. Whether you clean or replace it, you're restoring vital communication to your engine's brain. This ensures optimal performance and longevity. Solve cold start issues and improve fuel economy with this simple step. It's a small effort for a big reward. The ECT sensor, tiny part, massive impact. Don't underestimate its importance. Don't let it quietly wreck your engine. Keep it clean, keep it functional, and keep your engine running smoothly. There you have it. 3 hidden sensor cleanings that can prevent major engine issues. MFO2 ECT sensors. A few minutes of maintenance can save you thousands in repairs and keep your car running like new. Next time your car runs rough or your check engine light comes on, check these sensors before heading to the shop. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, share your sensor stories below, and subscribe for more car-saving tips. Take control of your car's health and your wallet. Your engine and your bank account will thank you.